Hey, my name is Treve. I'm from Colorado Springs, and we're here in beautiful Twin Lakes. Let's take a tour of my van. We're starting here on the exterior with the wrap that was based off of this amazing notebook a friend of mine gave me. Autofilm Solutions in Colorado Springs did the wrap, just got it on yesterday. On the backside here, I added this ladder and tire carrier. I also made sure to get the Bear Peak Van 345 on the back, just to tie everything together. And then around on this side, I have my moonshade awning. Kind of keeps me cool, keeps the rain off of me. Now on the front side here, I have this hood protector. I also have a Van Compass bumper that I'm going to put some Squadron lights on from Baja. I also upgraded the tires with less Schwab, get a little more traction. I chose the Bear Peak because I love to do amateur plant-based cooking. It's got a great prep area. It's got the happy hour table for cooking outside. Right over here is one of my favorite things about the van. It's a spice rack. It has all my favorite flavors. I have adobos, curries, anything that I need to chef something up. The other thing I liked about the van is it was basically a blank canvas. It allowed me to put up some stick-on tiles back here and really fun comforter with a VW bus on it. Then I also did some personalized touches like this pillow. I ordered this on Amazon and I had it probably 3 weeks even before I had my van, and I was able to take the Bear Peak brochure and scale up the size of the cushion and order it online. And then in here I have my 3 cooktops. I have 2 gas, 1 induction, and then my Trilino composting toilet. And keeping with the color theme, I went with bullet point mounting systems up here. Allows me to mount gimbals, GoPros, do footage. Moving back here to the garage, I've made sure to get the gear tray so I can mount a couple bikes. And then I also have these Van Camp storage pockets back here. Keep all my gear, helmets, tools. Thanks for watching the tour. I'm so happy with my Geotrek van. It's a 20-plus year dream in the making, made possible by the passing of my mother, and it's called Susvana in her honor.